Hi there. Do you often have the same issue as I have when you are selecting a bunch of mesh in Blender? You're not even realizing it, but you accidentally, sometimes you're not just selecting but moving it as well. And this problem is very frequent. And it's more problematic when you are using, for example, Hardops, and you are easily can accidentally move your selection. There's a solution for that, and the solution is when you are going to the Edit Preferences, under the key map, you need to scroll down a tiny bit. I'm just widening up this window. There's a 3D View section. Under that there's an Object Mode section. Under that there's an Object Mode Global section. And if you are scrolling down, there will be a Move, but not with the G. There will be another one with the drag left mouse settings. You need to turn this one off. And after that, you can't move your selection, not by accident. And it kills that problematic select and move in the tweak mode and in the Hardops as well. I hope this was helpful. For me it is very, very helpful, especially when I need to work with precise movement and precise measurement. Bye bye.